Hello friends, welcome back to Artistic Kasha. Hope you guys doing well. Thanks for loving my previous videos. Today I'm back with another new art from that sculpture painting. We're gonna make this cute little peony in today's video. Let's start with preparing the base. After preparing the base, we start with some green and yellow paste for leaves. I want dual tone leaves, that's why I am using two colors, yellow and green. You can also use any one color for leaves. Now with the help of a palette knife, just start making leaves like this. Just clip them and look how it comes out. Now I am making second leaf just like this. You can also purchase my artworks. You can also find me on Facebook or Insta. Now I am making the third leaf. These three leaves will be placed at the top of the flower. After making the flower, I am gonna attach some more leaves to the bottom. For flowers, I am using yellow and light yellow sculpture paste. I am making lighter shades petals outside of the flower and deep shade in the middle of the flower. Here I am using some golden pollens to the center of the peony. Like this, I am completed the flower by making the petals one by one. Hope you guys enjoy this work. Do like, comment and subscribe my channel for more creative videos. Next time I am coming with another video. Till then, goodbye, stay happy and creative.